Oh, there we go. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Lexi, aka the Divabetic, on social media. Today we are going to be talking about One Drop. This is the One Drop little testing kit thing, and let's just get right into it. I only still have this because people like to see the packaging for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm showing you. Okay, this is the little thing that it comes in. Take it off, packaged very beautifully. If it will stop reflecting my lights. And no, you guys, I don't have a ring light. That is a cheap DIY version of a ring light that's not a ring, and I can show y'all how I did that if you want. Okay, so then you open it up and it says let's get started, and then the One Drop meter was here, and then it tells you to download the app there, and then you pull this little thing out and there's just like the little, all the information, all the stuff. Let's hop into the actual review. So again, this is the One Drop meter. This is the Lansing device. It says One Drop on there. This is the little glucometer, and these are the test strips. So let's talk about the pros and the cons of this. Okay, the pros are the Bluetooth sending the blood sugars over to your phone to the One Drop app is very quick. So I also have used the Contour Next meter, and I can review that as well. Contour Next meter is relatively quick with syncing with your phone, but it sometimes can take a little while for your blood sugar to show up. This, it's like as soon as you check your blood sugar, that thing is showing up on your phone every time. I've never had a problem with it. Even when my phone is not in the room with me, it'll still like show up on my phone. So that's a pro. Another pro is this little, I mean, how cute is this little leather holding case? And it holds everything in. You don't have to worry about anything falling out. You don't have to unzip your little, you know, your kit every single time. It's just right there, so you just pull it out and put it back in. Only thing that my only complaint about this, and I'm not even gonna call this a con, it's just a complaint for me because I'm extra, is that, you know, you can pull it out and check your blood sugar. You can put your test strip in here, but in order to see what shows up on your device, you would have to pull it out. Of course, you don't have to do that because it's gonna show up on your phone anyway, but that's just, you know, if you don't have your phone right next to you, it can be kind of annoying. So, okay, those are the two pros. And I guess you could say, I mean, it looks really good. It looks very modern and just like techie and just really cool. So those are the pros. So the cons. Con number one is the price. Actually, I think that's like the only con. Yeah, it's the price. And the test strips, you can't just like go pick them up at your local pharmacy. You have to order through One Drop, and that's because they are a very smart company who is trying to get all the coins. So, okay, let me break down the pricing for you guys. We are on One Drop. So, the annual digital membership is $17.99 a month, and $215.89 would be due when you start. So like today, if I were to sign up for the digital membership, that's how much would be due today. Basically, the digital membership, you have like a coach or something who you share your data with, and they'll get back to you with insights and suggestions and all that kind of stuff, and I'll go more into that in a little bit. The diabetes supplies for the annual membership is $18.89 a month, and also $226.69 would be due today. And the complete experience, so you get all of it, the digital membership and the glucose meter and the strip plan, and that is $27.89 a month, which is $30 a month, and $334.69 would be due today. That is a lot of money to pay up front, and then to have to continue to pay. Let's see, let us do the math really quick. We're just gonna round it up to 30. 30 times 12, 360. So plus that what did I say, 339? That's $699, that's $700 for the whole year to have your strips and the digital membership, you know. So, okay, that's only for if you were to check your blood sugar one time a day. If you were to check your blood sugar 2 times a day, it would be $45.89 per month. And I think, are we still on the complete, yes, we're still on the complete experience. Okay, so $45.89 a month $550 would be due today. Then if we go to 3 times or more per day, which is going to be basically every diabetic who is really trying to manage their diabetes, because there's no way that you can know what your body is doing if you're only testing once or twice a day. Anyway, 3 times or more, which is what most people are probably going to do, it will be $80.99 per month. That's $971 due today. That's basically $1,000 that you pay out of pocket right now. And then you would save $107 a year, according to them. Okay, so the digital membership includes a personal coach via text chat, 8-hour glucose forecast. So basically it'll let you know what the algorithm is going to calculate what it thinks your blood sugar is doing. Kind of like a CGM, except it's not really monitoring your blood, you know, every second or every minute or so or whatever. Instead, it's just like making predictions. Personalized transformational plan that includes proven behavioral science techniques, interactive lessons, and customized goals. Integration with thousands of apps to let you track your weight, A1C, medication, blood pressure, activity, glucose, and food all in one place. And then of course you get all of the strips and all that stuff. Okay, so let's go back and let's check out the monthly one. Okay, so monthly digital membership starts at $19.99 a month. Diabetes supplies starts at $20.99 a month, and the complete experience starts at $30 a month, $30.99. Okay, so if you test your blood sugar once a day on the monthly plan, you'll be paying $39.99, paying $30 a month. That's basically $1. Your test strip is worth $1 because you're paying one test strip a day. Okay, now for 2 to test twice a day, you're paying $50, and for 3 or more times, so this is unlimited test strips, $89.99, which is $90. You don't have to pay anything today. You would just pay for your monthly whatever, and you can stop, cancel membership, whatever, and you get all the same things. And then if we go back one more time and we look at just the diabetes supplies, okay, so sorry, now this is taking me a minute. Okay, so if we were to just sign up for the diabetes supplies and not the membership, it would be $20.99 a month to test your blood sugar once a day, $40.99 a month to test your blood sugar twice a day, and then $79.99 a month to test your blood sugar 3 or more times. So you get unlimited test strips. And then annually, let me see, what was the difference in that? Okay, yeah. So annually, oh, you have to pay some today though. Annually to test your blood sugar once a day, $18.89 per month. You would pay $226 today, and you would save $25 a year. I don't think that's worth it. I'll have to go back and recalculate that stuff. $36.89 per month for the annual test strips, twice a day testing, and then for 3 or more times unlimited test strips. I'm just gonna start saying that. For unlimited test strips on a monthly basis, you would pay $71.99. You would pay $863 today, and you would save $95.98 per year. I don't understand that math. Hold on. Build monthly, let's see, 79. So you're saving about $7. 7 times 12, $84. Oh, they probably added tax in there, but oh, okay, right, okay. So monthly, but you're paying it all at once. Okay, gotcha. Okay. Whew, I'm sorry, guys. That was a lot of reading, and I know that was a lot to digest. And I'm probably gonna cut some of that out because I'm pretty sure you don't want to listen to all that. Okay, sorry, my camera overheated and now we're having to improvise with my phone, so hopefully the quality of the video isn't too bad. It shouldn't be because I just invested in a new phone that's supposed to have 4K video. Okay, so anyway, we talked about the pricing. I think I was gonna say something before my camera cut off, but I can't remember. So basically, who is this good for? Who needs one drop? Now, if you just have extra cash just laying around and you just want this cool looking thing, sure, go ahead. Is it accurate? I think it's relatively accurate. I mean, I get pretty close readings to my contour next meter, and my CGMs usually are very, very close to the readings that I get on here. I also forgot to show, I also got this little bag. I ordered this because of a promotion that they were having, and I just wanted to try it out so I could let you guys know what I thought about it. Anyway, so that was part of the promotion. But one drop would be worth it for somebody who doesn't have insurance, because if you really think about it, so when you have insurance, they're taking, I don't know, we'll just say $100 out of your paycheck every month, and then you still have a deductible that you have to meet. So everything that you're purchasing, you're paying out of pocket until your deductible is met, and then you're typically paying your copay. Depending on your insurance, like I think we used to pay, if I can remember, now our TRICARE is a little bit different now, but I think when I was on my regular employer insurance, I want to say we were spending maybe like about $80 a month on my, was it 80 or was it $30 a month? I can't remember. Somewhere between $30 and $80 a month, and it's probably changed because I've had different insurances over the past 10 years for my testing supplies. That's not including my insulin. My insulin, I think, has always been pretty much the same. If you don't have insurance and you're not able to go see an endocrinologist often, you don't have a nutritionist that you're able to go see or that you would have to pay out of pocket for, and if you're paying out of pocket for all of your testing supplies, one drop would not be a bad idea for you, because in the end you're almost paying the same as what you would pay out of pocket with insurance, or what you would be paying for insurance. One drop is a good option, I think, for somebody who is in that situation, that circumstance. But if you have insurance, more than likely, I can't say that because I don't know, but from my experience with insurance, my copays have always been less than this. This is, I think it said, what, $89 a month for unlimited test strips. Now, unlimited test strips is a great thing, but I think they also track how many times you check your blood sugar, so that you can't just like order a whole bunch of test strips, you know what I'm saying? Overall, I think it is a good solution for somebody who does not have insurance. If you have insurance and you have extra money and you just like the meter, by all means go ahead. But there's plenty of other great meters out there where you don't have to have a subscription plan. You don't have to order your supplies from the manufacturer or from the provider or whatever. You can, if you run out, if something happens, if you leave your test strips at home and you go get on a flight to go to another state or something, you can easily go to a Walgreens or CVS or your local pharmacy and have your prescription transferred over there and pick something up that day. Even if you can't get your prescription transferred, I believe you can buy test strips now without a prescription. But with this, I mean, if you forget something, you're kind of screwed. So that's just something else to keep in mind. But overall, one drop is pretty cool. I'm actually going to try. So on the box, it says you get 1 month free of the digital membership. And I tried to sign up for it and it didn't work. So I'm gonna call customer support this week and try to sign up for that, and I'll make a separate video to let you guys know my actual personal real experience and thoughts of the membership, and if that is even anything special, because the reviews about it are great, but you never know. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you have, I have like a ton of diabetic supplies. Like I said, I've been diabetic for 15 years. So I've tried a lot of different things, and if there's anything that you are curious about, let me know. And if I have used it, I would love to make a video about it, and if not, then I'll try to get it so I can make a video about it. Also, be sure to check out my bracelets. I designed and had these diabetic bracelets created. They're super cute. They have a cute little rhinestone charm on them, and I actually just launched, so I don't know if you can see these bracelets over here. I have a ton of like really beautiful bracelets that are soon going to be launching with a diabetic charm on them, so you can pick, oh, here's the gold one. You can pick and choose, there we go, what bracelet style you like, and then we'll add a diabetic charm on there for you, which is super cute, super different, and they're super affordable, because I know, like y'all know, diabetes is not cheap, and the last thing we need to be doing is spending $100 on a medical bracelet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm so sorry that my camera died or overheated. I hope to see you back next time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll get a notification whenever I post an update to the one drop video and all other videos that I'll be posting. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.